Hello esteemed viewers, welcome to our maths tutorial for today. In today's tutorial, we are going to solve this logarithmic equation. We are asked to solve for x in log of 2x plus 48 to base 4 equal to x minus 1. So if you are new here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more simplified Olympiad mathematics solutions. And also remember to press the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I upload my mathematics latest Olympiad context, which is on daily. Thanks so much. Now let's solve this question. We're going to solve this question by applying the rules of logarithm. Now, according to the rules of logarithm, if we want to solve this question, if we have log of a to the power of x equal to 2, we can have our x to be equal to a to the power of 2. I will apply that here. That will give us our 2x, which is the power of that, plus 48 will be equal to 4 to the power of x minus 1. So if we do that, 4 to the power of x minus 1 will be equal to 2 to the power of x plus 48. So having done that, we are going to simplify further. Remember, this will be equal to 2 to the power of 2 to the power of 2 all to the power of x minus 1, and this will be equal to 2 to the power of 2 plus 48. So if we simplify this, the numerator of the left hand side, we're going to have 2 to the power of 2x minus 2 equal to 2 to the power of x plus 48. Now remember, according to the laws of indices, this can be separated. So if we separate that, we're going to have this to be equal to 2 to the power of 2x multiplied by 2 to the power of minus 2 equal to 2 to the power of x plus 48. Now let's take everything to the left hand side. If we take everything to the left hand side, that equation will now become 2 to the power of 2x and multiplied by 2 to the power of minus 2. This will come over here to give us minus 2 to the power of x, and that will be minus 48, and this will be equal to 0. Now, having done that, this automatically gives us 2 to the power of 2x multiplied by 1 divided by 2 to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of x minus 48 equal to 0. Now recall that this can now give us 2 to the power of 2x multiplied by 1 divided by 4 minus 2 to the power of x minus 48, and this will be equal to 0. Now we'll have to clear that fraction by multiplying through by 4. If we multiply through by 4, this other side will multiply by 4 to give us 2 to the power of just 2x minus this other side will be 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of x minus this will give us 4 times 48 will give us 142, and this will be equal to 0. So according to the law of indices, we can make this to be equal to 2 to the power of x all to the power of square minus 4 to the power of 2 to the power of x, 4 multiplied by that 192. So if you come to see this, this is typical of a quadratic equation. So all we simply need to do is to let 2 to the power of x to be equal to y. we let 2 to be equal to 2 to the power of x to be equal to y, we can now simplify to find the value of that quadratic equation. This will give us y squared minus 4y minus 192 equal to 0. So our duty is to look for two values, we'll multiply, that will give us 192, and when we add such two values, they will give us minus 4. What are those two values? Look at those two values. Those two values, if we simplify the negative of 192, we're going to have that two values to be plus 12 and minus 16, because plus 12 plus minus 16 will give us minus 4. So that will make this automatically simplify. Y plus 12, and then we'll have y minus 16, both to be equal to 0. So y plus 12 is equal to 0 once we separate them, and we'll have y minus 16 to be equal to 0. So this simply gives us the value y to be equal to minus 12, which we will neglect because the negative result is an imaginary number, and we'll have y equal to 16, which is a real number we are going to solve using y equal to 16. So having y equal to 16, remember we'll have our y to be equal to 2 to the power of x. So our 16 equal to 2 to the power of x, and then we'll have our 2 to the power of x to be equal to 16 is equal to the value of 16 is also equal to 2 to the power of 4. So since we have same base, our x will be equal to 4. Now we have one duty, and the duty is to check if what we did is actually correct. If from the initial equation, let's check if this solution is actually correct. Now let's check. We are given from our initial equation, we are given log of 2x plus 48 to base 4. We are told is equal to x minus 1. So if our x is equal to 4, we insert it here, we're going to have base 4 of 2 to the power of 4 plus 48 to be equal to 4 minus 1. So the right hand side will automatically give us 3, and so we'll have the right hand side to be 3, while this other side will be log of 4 to base 2 to the power of 4. Remember, 2 to the power of 4 will give us 16, right? 2 to the power of 4 will give us 16. So we'll have 16 plus 48 all to base 4. So this will give us log of 16 plus 4 will give us 64 to base 4. And this 64 to base 4 will give us log of 4 to the power of 3, right? And 4 to the power of 3 will give us, normally this will come over here, and this will give us 3 log of 4 base 4. Remember, this must give us 3. So we have 4 to base 4, we have log of a to base a is equal to 1. So we'll have this to be 3 times 1, which is still equal to 3. So we see our solution that x is equal to 4 truly satisfy that logarithmic equation. This is all I have for you for now. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends and colleagues, and Remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified Maths Olympiad solution. Bye bye.